who told me about 𝐒𝐋𝐬, but I was told I had to meet this woman psychiatrist who is an institution in Slovenia. She was involved with adolescents, Slovene adolescents, but as soon as the war broke out, she got involved with refugees. So I went to meet her in her office, and it just started like that. With Anita and with her persistence on, we had to do something in the psychosocial sector. And I had in my office someone who had that background. I had a few young lawyers who were focusing on protection, but I also had a lady who was looking very much in the direction of psychosocial help. So we convinced Geneva to devote part of our budget to finance projects. And the first, I think even the only projects that we financed in that field was psychosocial. I mean, there was education for the separate network of Bosnian schools, and also social help. Humanitarian work is not the same as it was back 30 years ago. I find it very sad that we don't accept, even Afghans today. They are stuck in Doha, they were evacuated from Kabul. Those who succeeded in getting evacuated, they haven't processed them yet. In Canada said we will take, I don't know how many, 40,000, maybe 5,000 have reached Canada. So it's a problem in Slovenia, it's a problem everywhere. It's our very egoistic and inward-looking world. That you remain a philanthropy, that you remain an NGO, that you don't become bureaucratic, that you can work in partnership with the private sector, that you continue to promote volunteer work. Anita will no longer be here, but I think she has a legacy.